kale, tomato, squash, zucchini, watermelon, cantaloupe. I never tried the celery before, so we chopped it up. Let's give it to him. See how he likes it. I mean, can't be any worse than the weeds that he's eating, because he won't eat the freaking hay. One of y'all ate all your food. It was either you or the chickens, huh? I'll bring you some lettuce and we'll find out. I just want to pet your body. Oh, there you are. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. How you doing? You got a nice big hole down here. Oh, got a nice big hole. Look at you. Get away from the tortoise.